You keep hearing the letters AI and ChatGPT everywhere, on the news, at work, maybe from your kids or friends. And if you're sitting there thinking, I have absolutely no idea what any of this actually means, you're not alone. Today, we are going to strip away all the complicated tech jargon. I'm going to explain exactly what ChatGPT is in plain English, and more importantly, I'll show you the magic trick to actually making it work for you. Let's dive in. Imagine you have a personal assistant, but not just any assistant. This assistant has speed read almost every book, article, recipe, and website on the internet. They know a little bit about everything. ChatGPT is basically that assistant, but it lives in your computer or phone. It's a computer program that you can talk to just like you're texting a friend. You type a question and it types an answer back in seconds. It can write an email for you, give you a recipe based on what's in your fridge, or explain a complex topic like a fifth grade teacher. Now, here's where most people get stuck. If you just type a generic question into ChatGPT, you'll get a generic, boring answer. To get the good stuff, you need to know about prompting. A prompt is simply the instruction or question you type into the AI. Think of it like ordering at a restaurant. If you walk up to a waiter and just say, Bring me food, who knows what you'll get? You might get a salad when you wanted a burger. But if you say, Bring me a medium rare cheeseburger with no pickles and a side of extra crispy fries, you get exactly what you want. That is prompting. You're just giving the AI specific instructions. Let's look at an example. A bad prompt is write me a workout. The AI will probably give you a massive, exhausting routine meant for a bodybuilder. A good prompt is act as a friendly personal trainer. Write a 20-minute workout for a complete beginner who has bad knees and no equipment at home. See the difference? You gave it a role, personal trainer, a task, 20-minute workout, and context, beginner, bad knees, no equipment. The more details you give, the better the AI works for you. ChatGPT isn't magic, and it's not here to take over the world. It's just a really well read digital assistant waiting for your instructions. Your homework today is to go to chatgpt.com, create a free account, and ask it one specific question. Try using a detailed prompt like we just talked about. If this video finally made AI click for you, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be making more jargon free videos just like this one. See you next time.